Cash management is an essential function of a point of sale. As a result, let's jump into step-by-step directions on how to open a drawer and then close a drawer. First, we'll navigate to the 3 lines in the top left. Then, we go to Cash Management. From this screen, I'm going to tap on the Start Drawer button. Next, I can tell the system either how much money I have in the drawer by telling it how many 50s, 20s, 10s, and so forth, or I can just enter it in manually. For this example, I'm going to say that I've got $200 in my till at the start of the shift. And then I hit done. Now it's time for me to start my shift and take transactions. Now that my shift is over with, it's time to close the drawer. Next, we go to the 3 lines in the top left, return to Cash Management, and tap on the button here that says Manage. You'll notice during my shift, I took in $59.74 in cash sales. Because I started my day at $200, adding those together gets us $259.74. However, it's time for me to count the drawer and see just how much money I have in there. Now that I've counted my drawer, I actually have discovered that I have $260.58. Next, it's time to close the drawer. Now, it's verifying you want to make sure that you want to close the drawer. This is how much you're supposed to have. Here, I'm going to say yes. Now, let's review the report. I started with 200. I had $59.74 in cash sales. I did no pay-ins and payouts, and I did no tip-outs. As a result, I should have $259.74, but I actually have $260.58. Therefore, I'm over by 84 cents. From here, I can tap this button to reprint the report. Otherwise, it automatically reported.